How much does the average person think about what they're breathing in? Let's find out. I am here with Gregory. I caught him coming back from a workout. It seems like you really care what you put in your body.
I have to care. Got to stay hydrated. Got to make sure you track what you put in your body.
What about the air that you breathe?
I don't know the first thing about air quality.
I know a little bit. I think living here in Denver, you kind of have to be aware of it. We have a lot of wildfires. There's a lot of air pollution. So Denver's kind of one of those cities that it's hard not to know about it.
Do you ever exercise indoors?
I do, quite a bit, especially in the winter, but I lift at home and at the gym.
What do you think is more polluted, the air outside or the air in your home?
Outside. I keep inside very clean with the sprays and the disinfection.
So it's actually indoor air. Indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air.
Even though I spray?
Yes, absolutely. While those sprays can be really great for disinfection and killing germs, it's not great for your air quality. Is there anything that you are doing to manage your air quality at home?
No.
I switch out my HVAC filter pretty religiously, like every 28 to 30 days. But then have some like portable air filters in the home, but that's about it.
Do you have an air purifier? I'm gonna guess no.
No.
Spot on, right on the nose.
I do have some air purifiers in my house, but I don't really know a lot and know if they're even working, to be honest.
How often do you change your HVAC filter?
Oh boy, my dad would kill me right now.
I don't think I've ever touched one.
Every 2 years?
2 years. Wow. What does PICO stand for?
Pico.
Again, I had no clue.
PICO stands for photoelectrochemical oxidation, is a technology that destroys pollutants in the air. Gregory, thank you so much for stopping and answering all of our questions about air quality today. It is clear that you care a lot about your health and wellness, so we want to support you along that journey by giving you this Molecule Air Mini Plus so that you can breathe better air at home.
Wow.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God, it's so cute. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.